Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is Zulaika binti Zukaini from SEM 1C 2023. Today I will be presenting about Environmental Quality Act 1974. So, what is the Environmental Quality Act 1974? The Environmental Quality Act 1974 is a Malaysian law that aims to protect and improve the quality of the environment. It also provides guidelines and regulations to manage and control pollution and ensure a healthier and cleaner environment for the people. So next, the definition of printed circuit board (PCB) fabrication. PCB fabrication is the process of creating printed circuit boards (PCB), which are essential components in electronic devices such as power source. Power source is usually a battery or an external power supply. And then central processing unit (CPU) is the brain of the devices. Memory RAM for temporarily storing a data. Connectivity that devices that often have part or wireless capabilities for connecting to other devices. Sensor depending on the device purpose. It may including a various sensor like accelerometer, gyroscope, GPS, and a lot of them. So, the process of creating PCB are also involving designing, etching, and assembly layers of material to create the interconnected pathway for electrical circuits in a compact and organized manner. This is the way and the skill that's including in the process of designing or making a PCB. So we're moving to the next, which is the impact of PCB fabrication and the environment. So the first one is PCB fabrication and the environment. This can impact due to the chemical and energy used in the manufacturing process. It has harmful chemicals like agents and solvents. It also can pose environmental risks if not properly handled and disposed of. So it can cause the bads and the cons to our environment because of the harmful chemical. So the second one is impact on soil quality. This can negatively impact soil quality when they leach from electronic waste of manufacturing sites. This toxic chemical can contaminate the soil and making it less suitable for agriculture and also posing risks to plant animals and humans, which means it cannot be used at the soil is more or less now because it taking a risk for us to using it on animals, human, plants, and the quality are dropping down. The last one is impact on water quality. It can harm water quality when they enter water bodies. They don't break down easily and can accumulate in aquatic ecosystem. This contamination can affect aquatic life and pose health risks to humans who consume contaminated water or seafood. So basically, it can unstabilize the water quality. Instead of that, it can make a risky for all the environment. It's too risky for us for using the water because of the water quality is dropping down. Next is PCB fabrication best practice. Number 1, environmentally friendly material. Is using an eco-friendly materials to reduce the environmental impact. Number 2, efficient design, which optimize PCB design to minimize waste and energy consumption. Number 3, recycling. Implement recycling programs for waste materials. Number 4, safe chemical handling, which can ensure proper storage, use, and disposal of chemical to prevent contamination. Number 5 is energy efficiency. It is using energy efficient equipment and practice to reduce energy consumption. Number 6 is waste reduction. It can minimize waste production during the fabrication process. Number 7 is regulatory compliance. Here to environmental regulation and standards to protect the environment from any harm to make the best practice. So the last one, conclusion and future outlook for PCB. The conclusion for PCB, printed circuit board. PCB are vital components in electronic devices, but the fabrication and disposal can have negative environmental impact due to chemical and energy use. Next, efforts are being made to improve PCB fabrication practices by using an eco-friendly materials, reducing waste and complying with regulation. So, the future outlook purpose is to be continued innovation in each aspect in PCB materials and designs to reduce environmental impacts. Next, recycling and safe disposal method will become more widespread to address electronic waste issues. Then, stricter environmental regulation and increased awareness of sustainability will drive greener practice in PCB industry. And also for the last one is collaborative efforts between manufacturers, regulators, and consumers will be essential to minimize the environmental footprint of PCBs in the future. That's all from me.